Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing your device. Sign into YouTube and make sure the app is updated. Once done, grant microphone permission in your device's app settings so YouTube can hear you. Now open the YouTube app or site. Look for the microphone icon in the search bar. Tap that mic to begin. This immediate action puts you into voice search mode so you can speak instead of typing, and it ensures the app has the required access to capture your voice. Once the mic is active, speak your query clearly and naturally. For example, say, how to tie a tie. Make sure YouTube's language matches your spoken language in settings right arrow general right arrow language, because recognition improves when they align. If you're using a browser, confirm the site has mic permission. If on mobile, close other audio apps to reduce interference. Speak in short phrases and pause between commands so the system can parse intent and return accurate, relevant video. Finish by refining results. Say more specific terms, include dates, channel names, or words like tutorial to narrow matches. After results appear, use on-screen filters to sort by upload date, length, or type to find the exact video. If voice search doesn't work, make sure microphone permission remains enabled, restart the app, and if needed, clear YouTube's cache or update the app. This troubleshooting step usually fixes recognition problems, so you can resume hands-free searching immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.